Question 61. How do you handle version control in Azure DevOps for a team of developers? I would set up a Git repository in Azure DevOps to manage source code version control for the team. I would establish branching strategies, code review processes, and continuous integration practices to ensure code quality and collaboration among developers. Question 62. Can you explain the difference between Azure DevOps Services and Azure DevOps Server? Azure DevOps Services is a cloud-based platform hosted by Microsoft, providing collaboration tools, source control, build and release pipelines, and more. Azure DevOps Server, formerly known as Team Foundation Server, is an on-premises version of the same tools for organizations with specific security or compliance requirements. Question 63. What strategies do you use to optimize build times in Azure DevOps pipelines? To optimize build times in Azure DevOps pipelines, I use techniques like parallelizing tasks, caching dependencies, reducing the size of artifacts, optimizing build scripts, and using agent pools to distribute workload efficiently. I continuously monitor build performance and make adjustments as needed. Question 64. How do you approach integrating third-party tools with Azure DevOps pipelines? I approach integrating third-party tools with Azure DevOps pipelines by using extensions and integrations available in the Azure DevOps Marketplace. I evaluate the compatibility, functionality, and security of the tools, configure the integration settings, and test the end-to-end workflow for seamless automation. Question 65. How would you handle a critical incident affecting a production deployment in Azure DevOps? In the event of a critical incident in a production deployment, I would follow incident response protocols to identify and mitigate the issue quickly. I would communicate effectively with stakeholders, roll back changes if necessary, conduct a post-mortem analysis, and implement preventive measures to avoid similar incidents in the future. Question 66. Can you explain the concept of infrastructure as code, IAC, and its benefits in Azure DevOps? Infrastructure as code, IAC, involves managing infrastructure through code, enabling automation, repeatability, and consistency. In Azure DevOps, IAC allows for defining infrastructure configurations as code, tracking changes in version control, and deploying resources efficiently using pipelines, reducing manual errors and increasing agility. Question 67. How do you ensure continuous integration and deployment in a microservices architecture using Azure DevOps? In a microservices architecture, I ensure continuous integration and deployment by creating separate pipelines for each microservice, using containerization for isolation, establishing service dependencies, implementing automated testing, and coordinating deployments with service orchestration for seamless integration and delivery. Question 68. What experience do you have with monitoring and logging tools in Azure DevOps? I have experience using tools like Azure Monitor, Application Insights, and Log Analytics in Azure DevOps to monitor performance, track application health, analyze logs, detect anomalies, and troubleshoot issues. I configure alerts, dashboards, and reports to ensure visibility and proactive monitoring of applications and services. Question 69. How would you implement a disaster recovery plan for Azure DevOps infrastructure? To implement a disaster recovery plan for Azure DevOps infrastructure, I would replicate resources across different Azure regions, backup data regularly, automate failover processes, test recovery procedures, and document recovery steps. I would ensure data integrity, minimize downtime, and maintain business continuity in case of disasters. Question 70. Can you explain the benefits of using Azure DevOps for collaboration and communication in development teams? Azure DevOps provides a centralized platform for collaboration, communication, and project management, enabling teams to share code, track work items, automate workflows, conduct code reviews, and monitor progress. It fosters transparency, efficiency, and alignment among team members, improving productivity and delivery quality. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.